Namaste, I'm Amma. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel, What About Nepal? Today, we're giving you a really nice experience, so I hope you follow along with us. What can you expect if you come to Nepal for a long time stay? It's really an amazing place to stay a while. So I'm talking with Jyoti. He has a lovely apartment, and it's in Godawari area, which is outside of Kathmandu, just a little bit, but you've probably heard of Sanapa, Lalitpur. Well, it's just beyond that, which is just lovely. The Godawari National Botanical Gardens, places to walk to. You have Shanti Ban and some monasteries.
Yeah.
And it's really quite nice. And the roads are always in Nepal a little bit of disrepair. So you can expect that anywhere you go. So this is no different, but it's lovely once you get here, and it's not that bad. It's not that long. So anyway, follow along with us. This apartment is well under $500 a month, unfurnished, or you could possibly furnish it for a little bit more. So come along with us as we show you the apartment. The first thing you'll notice is the interesting design of this home. The top apartment is the flip of the lower apartment, with the kitchen here being downstairs instead of upstairs from the living room and bedrooms. There is a great cross ventilation because this first bedroom has a lovely balcony. You really don't need air conditioning with this apartment. Imagine seeing the sunrise over the Godawari forest and the highest mountain of the Kathmandu Valley from your bed each morning. Also, imagine, if you will, seeing these beautiful birds coming to feast on a dish of bread pieces as you wake up each morning. Now that's the way to start the day. This apartment features an unusually elaborate bathroom, complete with a shower curtain, medicine cabinet, and cabinet for storage. Although most apartments in the Kathmandu Valley and Pokhara have Western-style toilets, most are not nearly this nice. Although there may be a few cultural issues that crop up when you live so close to people of another culture, it has just as many benefits. One of the perks of having a Nepali family being so close is that they can be one of the best resources during your time here. The chances are that a Nepali landlord like Jyoti and his wife Rami will know a good babysitter, day guide, or taxi driver for you. If you get lost or need a translator, the chances are your landlord or Nepali neighbor will be able to help. This kitchen is quite nice as well. It's quite large with ample cabinet space. The back door steps right out to the landlord's vegetable garden and overlooks the forest. It's remote enough to have forest animals and an amazing variety of birds pass through. How to find such a lovely apartment for yourself during your time in Nepal? You can call Joy T from the contact information in the description, or you can ask your guest house owner if he knows someone with a place to rent. It's also a good idea to stay in the area at a guest house that you want to consider for your stay. Not all rentals in the Kathmandu Valley are quite this quiet or have such nice, fresh, clean air. So, what about Nepal? Follow along with us as we explore Nepal. Hit subscribe, like. See you next time.